President Trump designated Nigeria as a country of particular concern, alleging over the crime of Christian genocide. The government has denied this allegation.
Well, for me, it's not about allegation, whether it's genocide or not. My question is, are people dying? Yes. So let's deal with people dying. Whatever you call it, yes, government maybe, oh, we don't want to say it's genocide. Let me agree with everybody's right. But are people dying? For me, let's deal with the issue of people dying. Whether it is genocide or not, that is for people who have more understanding and maybe who have followed it. My studies have not shown me personal, but what it's shown me is that people are dying and we need to deal with it. And if I was in position, I would have met him and said, hey, how can you help?